Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin ke Jingqiu State ke bayo COVID hakaleng ki jela jong kari India pat kum juru ha ke jela Meghalaya ka Sikh Center Sri Guru Singh Sabha kabadon hajan kaying sa jong ulat ke jela kala Pynkhreh ya ke Jaka ban ai Jingsumar lada kan kta ya ke jela Meghalaya habaya keren bat unongsan Hima General Secretary ka Sikh Center Sri Guru Singh Sabha Dr. Kamaljit Singh ulayatu ba hadin baki jela baper hakari kelai kenduk Jing'e habai day berkejing ai Jingsumar nakadau baki hospital ke Lada bat kim don Jaka ban ai Jingsumar ya kini kinongpang bat kawairu kejing don kam ya ka oksigen ban ai sya kini kinongpang bayo COVID nakadau nakaliang jong kani ka kanhun kila Pynkhreh balada kanjia kano ke Jingïarap ke basngausi lani ki Jaka ai Jingsumar kindap da kinongpang nakaliang jong kani ka center kan ai Jingïarap ya ke pajba ke badon kam kani ke center kala Pynkhreh loparu ya ki Jaka thia hak ba kila benrung hadu arpusan hadu lai phongut bat ya ki tendong leer oksigen kaba nakaliang jong kani ke center kala Pynkhreh lopa.
I am Dr. Kamaljit Singh. I am the General Secretary of this Gurdwara, and the thing here is that looking at the current scenario in the whole country where there's a lot of lack of oxygen, especially in hospitals, both private as well as government hospitals. We wanted to prepare ourselves for the people of Shillong or the state, that in the eventuality, God forbid, if the number of cases here overrun the government hospitals as well as the private hospitals, then we would like to come into play and try to help as many people with our oxygen saver. So we are not a full-fledged medical facility. We would like to step in if there is a shortage of oxygen in the medical facilities of our state, and we are open to all, and we would welcome everyone from here.
How many beds do you expect to cater?
As of now, we've just put 5 beds, but this hall has a capacity of putting at least 25 to 30 beds.
Okay, so when will you get all these oxygens and beds ready?
As the need arises, the beds are already ready. We just need to shift them from our other rooms here. That's it.
Yeah. But this is all funded by the Gurdwara?
It's all funded by the Gurdwara, at least now. But just like last year, how we had that Langar Seva, where we had given cooked food as well as raw materials to the far-flung areas of the state, there was a lot of contribution coming from all different communities, and that really helped us sustain that initiative. See, we are a small institution, and at some point of time, even for this it will ask for sustenance, and then we will surely require contributions or help from well-meaning individuals or firms, which will help us sustain this initiative.
As a health expert, you've seen that the number of cases has gone up in our state, especially in East Khasi Hills. And just yesterday also we've seen the highest number of cases in 2021, with 229 cases. What do you see will happen in the next coming days?
Containment that has been done by the government is actually very necessary, very crucial, actually to break the chain. But if the number of returnees and these positive cases continue, you see within the next 10 days, then we might reach 3,000 plus cases. What I feel is the government should have, like how they had done last year, taken the people from the border of the state when they are returning and not let them go home to wait for their report to come for 48 hours. They should have been taken straight to the quarantine center. That would have brought down the, the transmission considerably.
Another thing, Doctor, how much is the cost of all of this?
This is, right now we have started with about 2 lakhs. But this is an ongoing process. So that is why if we get contributions from well-meaning citizens of the city or the state, we will be more than happy to give back more to the society.
You've seen like last year also the Gurdwara has done something
Yes.
like providing food.
Food, yes.
Do you think that other religious institutions also should do some kind of a similar thing?
That is up to them, but the Sikh community, we are known for our generosity, and we jump into anything that we see where we can help humanity. So if other communities would like to do the similar thing, that's very well, it would be a very nice gesture, but we have taken the initiative and we would like to continue with this till however long we can sustain this.
Another thing, Doctor, what do you see? Because most of the cases are happening in East Kasils, not in other districts, but
Yes.
in East Kasils. Why is this happening only in East Kasils? The number of cases are much more higher here.
There could be a various number of factors here. There are more returnees to this part of the state, or maybe there's lack of testing in other districts of the state. I can't see anything else here.
You said that you seek the support of the public from the state. So how will they reach out to you if there are some who want to contribute to the...
That was a similar thing what we had done last time during the langar or the food seva that we had started. There were many people who wanted. So what we had done, we had given out our Gurdwara the account number of the bank. So that we had put it up on various social media sites. So that is how we got them. We got the message across. So maybe we'll do the same thing this time too.
Your last message to general public of
So we, as Sikhs from the Gurdwara, as a Sikh, as the General Secretary of this Gurdwara, I would request the general public of this state to wear masks, stay safe, stay at home, and come out only if and when necessary. Do not go to crowded areas. And as our community always stands by helping humanity, we will always be here for you.
next.